Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share with you about how to deal with yellowing of pepper leaves plants in your garden. So I have here a pepper plant that is already mature and I've harvested many times. And if you encounter this yellowing leaves caused by a deficiency in nitrogen or iron, so what I would do is that I put some coffee grounds at the same time, lessen the watering. Sometimes the roots we can't really absorb the nutrients when you overwater them. It's really hard for them to get that nutrients, and also you can remove some of the leaves that really had a lot of discolored to stimulate the plant to bounce back, and you grow more leaves at the same time, see if it is still occurring. So sometimes also there are caterpillars or some pests or insect that might weaken more the plants there, so you want to check it out as well. Under the leaves there's some browning of the leaves, you will notice, but this is natural and normal, and you can cut some part that are really browning some stems so that you really need to be pruned. And this is helpful to the plant as well, because you are lessening the part that needs to be removed anyway. So this would happen after a week or so. Did not water so much and put some nitrogen, or used coffee grounds mixed with water, and so far it bounced back and finally flowers now. So it was effective. There's still some yellowing or discoloration the leaf, but so far it is much better than before, and you can see that the plant is much more stronger and happier this time. So have you experienced this, guys, in your pepper plants? Please comment down below if you have the same experience with pepper plants or even tomatoes. This rainy season, it is unnatural sometimes. They do have encounter or some leaf spots. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.